Here at the intake corridor, we utilize low-frequency sonic dampeners, ensuring minimal stress and consistent condition of the raw material.
Bay 4, pod sequence initiated. Confirm stability.
Acknowledged. All green on platform B. As the gates pivot open to Zone A, the flow is directed towards primary processing, ensuring the separation of The clean slabs of lean beef enter a long, insulated chilling tunnel, where temperatures are rapidly reduced.
Highly precise, laser-guided robotic arms utilize oscillating blades to trim excess fat from these chilled lean.
Application rate looks stable. The coating is uniform.
Confirmed. Ready for slicing. Check the grain consistency here.
This one is definitely premium thickness.
Route it to vat 3.
Confirm thickness. Initiating process and manufacturing.
Automated guided vehicles deliver the smoke-brown BJ-77 strips, initiating the controlled drying process crucial for perfect texture.
This time-lapse captures the hours-long drying process of the BJ-77 strips. The precise control of the forced air.
Individual beef jerky strips are automatically singled out and passed over a high-precision mass spectrometer, verifying the exact final weight and density.
We're maintaining the strict stacking pattern on the BJ-77s.
Perfectly uniform, ready for transport.
In. A pallet of beef jerky strips, model BJ-77, is scanned.
The finished pallets of beef jerky strips, model BJ-77, are stacked dozens of
After tanning, the now leather hides are carefully removed from the drums and stretched taut onto large...
The texture on this batch is superb. Absolutely perfect, ready for cutting.
Scanning complete. Batch 79er go your.
Confirmed against the manifest, looks good to go.
The bottom of the garment bag containing the deep chestnut brown premium leather jackets is heat sealed with a tamper-evident strip.
The precision stacking ensures stability for international shipping, finalizing the deep chestnut brown apparel.
Crafted for the open road, our premium leather jackets provide unparalleled protection and style. The deep chestnut leather flexes, showcasing its durability.
The precision stitching and the supple texture of the leather are perfectly visible, confirming the high quality of the manufacturing process.
This is the result of Process B. The specialized finish ensures functional preservation, allowing moisture to simply bead and roll off the supple leather.